Hi. So today, let's talk about a movie that I recently watched.
What is it?
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Yeah, I would watch it really often when I was younger.
Yeah. So it was on TV a few weeks ago, and I watched it. So I was like, oh, we could talk about it.
Alright, first of all, do you guys know the title in Japanese?
It's チャーリーとチョコレート工場.
チャーリーとチョコレート工場.
So, exactly the same.
Yeah. In Japan, after being released in 2005, this movie has been really popular, especially among kids.
I guess this is a good topic to talk about with Japanese people. Kanta, do you have any favorite scenes in the movie?
Well, I always think that the chocolate pond must be really delicious. I want to swim in it, and also I want to drink it.
I agree. Well, I want to polish Willy Wonka's shoes.
Wow. You're weird.
Whatever.
Oh, yeah. Anyways, we just wanted to let you know that this film is really huge in Japan, too. And we hope you will enjoy watching the conversation in the next video.
Let's go.